Hi guys, today I'm going to be making vegetable rice with chicken bites. I'm going to start off by turning on the Ninja Foodi. Going to put it on high, see saute, and now I'm just adding in about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now it heats up really quick, so we can start straight away. Now I'm just adding 1 medium onion, and I'm going to give that a good mix. Now I'm going to go in with my garlic and ginger paste, and I just gave about 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now I'm going to add salt. I gave about 1.5 tablespoon, and you can add more if you want to, it's per taste. And make sure you give it a good mix. Add your green chilies, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, anise sticks, and clovers. You can add as many as you want. I went with 1 bowl of frozen vegetables. Now just giving that good mix. And let it kind of go soft, so you can shut the lid of that. Once you think it's gone a bit soft, you can add in your rice and water. I've added about 1.5 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. And just give it a bit of a mix so that the vegetable just goes in between the rice. Now I'm going to put in my grill so I can put in my chicken as well. So I already marinated the chicken. I'll have them listed down in the comments what I used to marinate the chicken. Now I'm going to put on the pressure lid. I'm going to make sure I put it on seal. Now I'm going to move the function to pressure and put it on there for 2 minutes, and then click the start and stop button. It should naturally release gas for 10 minutes, and then whatever's left over, just do a quick release like so. Once it's done, just open the pressure cooker lid, take it to somewhere away from your cooking area, maybe to the sink. Now take out the grilled chicken, just put it aside for a second, and give the rice a bit of a mix. Now put your chicken back in. Now shut the crisping lid and change the function to grill. I put it on 12 minutes initially, but I did finish it at 6.5 minutes because they were done, as you can see. Just moving the chicken now because they are done and ready to eat. Now I'm just taking the grill out so I can take the rice out, just giving it a bit of a mix just to make it all even everywhere. Now I'm just plating up the rice to serve. How good does that look? Now you can enjoy your vegetable rice and chicken bites.